Yo, what's up, everyone? Uh, just came back from school, ne? So like, just spend the after school with me. And like, actually, after school, just spend ukuthi nje ngilambile, so like ngizophuma manje. I think I'm like ngizoqala ngishintshe uniform. They say ngishintshe uniform bese ngihamba ngiyothenga kodanyana cheap ntonyana ukubambisa indlala yabo. So yeah. So guys, yeah. Got to change uniform no. So yeah. So I'm gonna just like head out you buy code. Yeah, so yeah. Let's get into it. Yeah, so guys, like I'm done with eating, I'm done with washing my uniform. Then yeah, so now ngifuna ukuthi ngijike la esemtulu yabo. Khona imali kumele ngiyoyidepositele umagogo. So yeah, sisibangeleni khona esemtulu mall. Bafethu ngingabuye mall ke. Yeah, otherwise until now ke yeah. So ngene ma homework.